Hi. What do you have here?
What I have here,
Right here.
these are the Bushwick Community Darkroom developing kits for Winol, Beernol, and Cathinol.
Oh, sounds good. How much are they?
How much are
I don't know. There's so many like different thought processes of like how I should price those when I was making them. I think I put them in here as an item. Let's see. It's not. No. 16.
16. Plus text?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds
They're an
good.
object, so I have to charge.
That's a very good deal. Oh yeah.
Yes, so theoretically, you could get all three for 48.
Wow.
I think I have some deal somewhere where it's like 40 or 45 for. It would probably be 40 if I think for 3 of them. So
Ooh,
I don't
for
think I have
40.
that set up in the point of sale over here.
Some of them are not cut yet,
Mm.
so that has to be done.
Anyway, please buy these.
Please buy it. Tutorial up on YouTube.
Yep.
If you grab the knob and pull that out, yep, that will make it easier. And then these 2 pieces of metal go inside. The films are like those are the times for spring chemistry specifically. However, I did check just a minute ago while you were in there, and that film is not on there.
Okay.
But that's fine because do you know about the massive dev chart? It's a wonderful, wonderful resource.
So, if doing this for like 10 minutes, it's basically like just doing this
Yep.
10 times.
It's not the most exciting process. Like, definitely the hardest part of the process is getting it on the reel. And then just looking up the time and following the recipe.